First Alert Weather with meteorologist Michael Coates.
All right, got the gusty winds. You can see the camera shaking right now in Idaho Falls. We had some dark clouds coming through IF just a bit ago, but most of those thunderstorms going northeast of town towards Rexburg, Sugar, and St. Anthony, and now out towards Wyoming. 80 degrees, those winds out of the west at 16, but your gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour. We got reports of showers and thunderstorms showing up here on First Alert Viper radar, with quite a bit of some active weather now pushing into Grand Teton National Park, and also some fairly potent cells moving through northern Utah and extreme southern and southeastern Idaho here. So just outside of Downey, we've had some thunderstorms move through the region, and south of Lava, moving through Soda Springs and the Georgetown Summit right now, also through Montpelier, Paris, Bloomington, and showers in Tremont and getting over into the Cache Valley there. We're getting a fairly decent sized thunderstorm just over Logan as we speak. And then we got some thunderstorms moving out of Driggs and Victor, pushing over the mountains and getting into portions of Grand Teton National Park, but clearing out right now in the upper valley. Again, we had those fairly good-sized thunderstorms that came through Rexburg and Sugar and St. Anthony just about the 3-4 o'clock hour this afternoon. And here's the scenario. We still have the jet stream pushing in that mild air from the west coast, and we're really not seeing any major changes to our temperatures until Saturday. Now, the numbers are actually expected to rise for Friday as we get the warm before the storm. Area of low pressure here in the Gulf of Alaska, area of low pressure here in California. These two pressure centers will converge overhead here in Idaho and Utah and Wyoming as we get into Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to pull in that wet weather, and we'll see big drops in the daytime highs getting into the early half of this approaching week. Tonight on the Vipercast, a few of those lingering thunderstorms, and that will carry into tomorrow morning as well. We have a chance for even some morning showers out towards the Tetons, and we'll see even more afternoon thunderstorms, especially in the usual spots in Island Park. Vipercast is tending to be a little bit drier out there. However, just by looking at the general trends and what I see outside, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a few more thunderstorms out there. We have enough moisture in the atmosphere to see some afternoon thunderstorms once again here for Thursday. Then we get rolling into Friday. Again, Friday, it's going to be quiet in the morning. It gets active in the afternoon and evening hours with thunderstorms and showers taking hold here. Cold front comes through, and that's what's going to really drop back on our temperatures as we head into the weekend. And it's not just affecting us locally. No, this is going to be a region-wide event from Seattle all the way to Salt Lake City and beyond into, well, all across Wyoming and the high plains. We're dealing with passing showers as we go through your Saturday and Sunday. So just bear that in mind also if you're traveling. We do expect to also see some very chilly conditions on the other side of that cold front, leading to some mountain snow as we get into Sunday and Monday. We have a few thunderstorms for tonight and tomorrow, with those winds southwest of 15 to 25, gusts around 35. A stormy weekend ahead, and we're expecting to see temperatures here take a big hit in your 8-day forecast. 80 degrees around Montpelier with 85 around Preston, and we got 82 in Lava Hot Springs, 79 in Soda Springs, and 79 in Afton. Temperatures in Rexburg into the upper 70s, lower 80s in St. Anthony and DuBois, with the lower 70s in Island Park, the upper 70s in Jackson. Temperatures in central Idaho getting into the lower 80s for Chalice and Salmon, highs into the mid 70s for around Mackey, and upper 70s in Arco, with highs in the Snake River Plain in the lower 80s for Idaho Falls, 84 for Pocatello, 82 in Burley. Check out your 8-day forecast. As we move forward, you will see again the weather starting to get a little bit chilly as we head into the weekend and beyond, as we get on the other side of this cold front. And in typical cold front fashion, you draw up the warmer air before the front arrives. That's what's going to happen on Friday, and that's why we're close to 90 degrees. Then the temperatures start to ease back into the 70s for Saturday, 57 as we go into Sunday. Also to note, next week, for several nights and mornings, we're going to be dealing with frosty temperatures back into the 30s as we get on the other side of this cold front, so you'll definitely need to cover up the garden. 91 for Friday in Pocatello, Blackfoot around 90 for Friday, 74 on Saturday, up to the upper 50s on Sunday, and the mid 50s on Monday. Take a look at Rexburg. You'll have highs here at 85 for Friday, 70 on Saturday, mid 50s on Sunday, and the lower 50s on Monday. Central Idaho, you have also stormy weather on the way here for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with temperatures falling back into the mid to lower 50s for Sunday and Monday. Scattered showers to get us in through next week, with highs around 60 by Tuesday. Jackson, you'll have passing snow and rain showers trying to get in here for next week because it's going to be cold enough that we could see some mountain snow, especially getting into areas of the mountains on Monday and Tuesday. And daytime highs this weekend around Jackson and Yellowstone will be into the mid 60s on Saturday, the mid 50s on Sunday.